The success of your business on the apparel industry depends on the proper planning and execution. On-time shipment and customer satisfaction are always the prime concern for your business. To achieve this, you need a perfect planning solution. Introducing Easy Planner, world's first artificial intelligence-powered web-based drag-and-drop planning solution. Easy Planner helps you to make a successful plan in just 3 simple steps. Here is an example. Import your data to the system and click Process Import button. And now, the AI will make the plan for you within 2 minutes with more than 90% accuracy. And after that, you can always visually drag and drop the planning strips and adjust your plan to meet your custom demand. On Easy Planner, multiple planners can plan at the same time from different factories. Planner can view the different factory planning in a single board. User can also view the board using different criteria such as style. In Style View, you can see the product image along with its info. View the strips by status and standard time. View the planning board from a week up to 12 months period within a single window. User can even view the strips from their desired date by selecting the date from calendar box. With its dynamic searching tool, Easy Planner also helps you to search your desired information using any keyword. Point your mouse to any strips and right-click your mouse to get more options like its daily plan, production progress, TNA, etc. View more details and graphical representation of your planning strips. Easy Planner also lets you design custom-built reports just how you want with its dynamic report builder. Give your report a name and select the user roles. And now, select the database and add your desired tables. Inner join the tables and select the columns you want. You can see the SQL commands are instantly showing up on the screen. Just copy the SQL commands and click Generate Report button to generate any kind of report just how you want. Forget about all the hassles you have been going through for so long. Optimize your factory capacity and improve efficiency up to 15%. Get your return on investment in just 10 days. A dynamically made web-based business solution that gives you a desktop lookalike experience. You also get system-generated email and notifications for better communication and responsiveness. 24/7 customer support, cloud solution, custom-built reports, sync TNA with Google Calendar, easy to implement, and most importantly, no third-party dependencies. We will help you obtain your goals and guide you to the best solution for your business. Take control of your success and dominate your business area. Everything you need for success is here. Just visit our website to know more details about Easy Planner. So, what's waiting for? Just call us today to get the best solution for your business. Easy Planner. Plan with intelligence.